Hey there, it's Chris again, and I do reviews of camera gadgets and anything that makes my life easier as a parent of 3 young kids. For today, it's another toy, and this time I didn't know what else to buy, so I got the Fidget Cube. I saw this in the toy store, and I thought that it looks pretty cool because it has this sticker here that says glow in the dark, just like my t-shirt here that glows in the dark. Pretty sucker for that. Let's check it out. Alright, let's take a look at this. ZuruFidget.com. Fidget Cube by NC Labs. Says here glows in the dark. Alright, let's get this to open. Hey, little boy. Yes.
Got tire.
Okay.
Tire, Papa.
Yes, it is a tire.
Papa, need tire. Papa, how the tire?
How do you open this? Do I squeeze it? Not a very good experience. Alright. Alright, okay. Here you go. Spin, tourner, drain. Oh, okay, this is just other languages. Flip, glide, breathe, click, squeeze. Okay. Just basically means you can do all sorts of things with it. Okay, let's try it. Okay. What can this do? So this is for me to turn. This is a switch. So if you feeling like fidgeting again, if you are like me who likes to turn on and off the switch, this feels so nice. Oh, that's the sound. There's a ball bearing here. There's some dials here. Alright, let me put the microphone near this thing and you get to hear it better.